Welcome to Rainbow Bridge. Today we are going to talk about classroom conversations. At the end of this video, I hope you will gain some useful vocabulary. Okay, let's start.
The bell is ringing. Class is about to start. We should go inside.
Let's hurry up. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. When I came in.
Come in. Yes, please. You may go to your place.
Thank you.
Who can tell me what date is it today? Please you raise your hand.
It's Monday.
Very good. What date is it, Johnson? Okay, các con tụi stand up.
It's September 17th.
Speak louder. I can't hear you.
It's September 17th.
That's right. Did you do your homework?
Yes, we did.
Great. Let's check it. Please open your book to page 20. Let's read the text.
Teacher, may I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
What does that word mean?
Listen and repeat after me. Environment.
Environment.
I don't understand. Can you repeat, please?
How do you spell it?
Environment. Okay, please write down.
Excuse me, I have a patient when I ball open my class me.
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Also, please come to the whiteboard. Okay, please write down the days of the week. Well done. Please be quiet. Stop talking and listen to me. What happened? What was that noise?
I'm sorry, teacher. I dropped my pencil case.
It's okay. Please pick it up. Who wants to clean the whiteboard?
I do.
It's a break time. Okay, goodbye, my students.
Goodbye, teacher.
Would you like to go outside in the schoolyard?
Yes, that's a very good idea. Let's go.
I'd rather have a snack. I'm very hungry.
What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is science. What about you? I love English very much.
I really like math. It's so awesome.
Break time is over. Let's go back to the classroom.
What class is next?
Sport. Do you like sport?
Yes, I do, but I like music more. I love singing. What about you?
Sport is okay, but my favorite class is geography. I enjoy traveling.
What time is it?
It's 12 o'clock. It's lunch time. Let's go to the cafeteria and have lunch.
Yes, let's go. I'm starving.
How's your lunch, also?
It's delicious. I like snack very much. What about yours?
It's great. I have snack too. It's so yummy. The school is over. It's time to go home.
Would you like to come over to my place in the afternoon and play basketball?
Yes, I would love to.
Great. I can't wait. See you later then.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks you for watching.